Thank you for being here. I remember myself, Comrade Emeka Emerole, your one and only comrade. I'm here once again. Like I said before, we are e-hailing drivers, a union of e-hailing drivers, amalgamated union of app-based transporters of Nigeria. And I said it, we belong to informal workers. Informal workers, like I said, who don't have a specific salary, will make our money daily on the street. We don't have a structured salary. We don't have a HMO. We don't have allowances like those former workers have, those in the bank, civil servant. We don't have it. But we are proud. We are contributing to the society. We are proud. We are contributing to the nation. We are proud. Our revenue is bringing something to the coffers of the nation. And I say, if you are an informal worker, wherever you are, be proud of yourself. Like I always say, there is dignity in labor. We are Amalgamated Union of App-Based Transporters of Nigeria, AUT1, and we have challenges. We have riders. And I tell people, there are about 5 stakeholders in this industry. 5 stakeholders that make up this industry, e-hailing industry. You have the government, you have the app companies, the owners of the app, you have the drivers, you have the owners of the car, and you have our esteemed passengers, those I value so much, the ones that pay our money, our riders. We call them our riders. They are our esteemed passengers. They bring the money into the industry. And I say, we have challenges and we need to let them know. And these challenges, only the riders cannot solve it. Only app companies cannot solve it. Only the union, the drivers cannot solve the problem. The government alone cannot solve the problem. The car owners cannot solve the problem. All of us can come together and solve the problem. And what are the problems? The commission, the taxation, the revenue, the charges, the fare that we are collecting, the regulation, the legislation, the policies, transport regulation. These are one of the things. So I call on government. I call on federal government, because one thing is certain. We know that transportation is a state thing. But this kind of transportation, e-hailing, is not just a state, it's a federal, it's an online. And federal government, we call on you. Look into this industry. It's a billion-dollar industry. Look into it. Get to it and see that we can contribute. The GDP of Nigeria can go up. When you look into this industry, change the policies, change the regulation, look at it. Let's come together. Bring the stakeholders together, bring the app companies together, bring the drivers together, bring everybody together. Let's see how we can make this industry a better place. Because I tell you, Amalgamated Union of App-Based Transporters of Nigeria, AUT1, AUATON, we are doing so much. We are doing a lot to make sure we bring this industry to limelight, to bring this industry to a place, an enviable place, where passengers will enjoy their ride, where drivers will enjoy their ride, where car owners will enjoy their investment, where app companies will enjoy what they have put in, and where government will be proud of this industry. We call on everybody, come, let's see how we can make out of this industry. Till I come your way next time, I remain my humble self, Comrade Emeka Emerole. See you soon.